Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your folder in Windows 10 PC. First, you need to open our folder. Which folder you want to hide? Select this folder and right click on it. Here, go to Properties. In Properties, select Hidden and simply click on Apply. Apply changes to this folder and subfolder and file. I'm going to click on this one and click on OK. Now this time you can see we don't see our folder in our PC. Now you can see we don't see our folder in PC. So how can you see your folder easily? So how can you show your folder and unhide your folder? I'm going to show you also this process. Go to View. From here, select this one. Hidden items. So now this time you can see our folder again. You can see this folder is little bit fed up. Now right click on it and go to Properties again and uncheck this one, Hidden, and apply and OK. Now this time you can see our folder is visible for everyone. So guys, in this way you can easily unhide and hide your folder. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.